Hi, welcome to Suhaila's Simple Cuisine. Thank you for joining me today. In today's video, I'm very excited to share with you how to make calzone. This recipe is very simple. I dragged this all the way from Europe. We used to live in Europe, and calzone there is absolutely delicious. And I got this recipe from one of my friends from Italy, and I have been making this recipe for several years, and it is absolutely delicious and it is very easy. So just pay attention to the way that I will be making the dough, and make sure to give it enough time so the dough rises a bit before you make and shape the calzone. And that's all there is to it. I'm really excited to share this recipe with you. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'll be back in a minute. Please don't go anywhere. Hi, welcome back. The calzones look fabulous. I can't wait to try some and let you know. Absolutely delicious looking calzones. I'm going to try a little bit and I will let you know. Let me just cut a little piece and let me just with my fingers. Oh my god, I just wanna keep eating this. This is absolutely gorgeous, very delicious. Everything is just perfect the way that they are. I love the tomato sauce, the marinara sauce, the cheese, the right amount of cheese, the right amount of sauce, and it is soft, it is chewy, it's absolutely delicious. I hope you make this. Please let me know if you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, or if you make any of my recipes, share them with me and let me know how you did. I really like to hear from you guys. If you are new to this channel, please make sure to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so you don't miss any upcoming recipes. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'll see you guys in the next video. Love you all. Goodbye.